Charisma is your ability to maintain relationships while implementing difficult decisions. How fantastic is this definition by Michael Grinda? And if you don't know who Michael Grinda is, he's a specialist in nonverbals and NLP. I love the fact that he goes so much further from the fact that charisma is that person that can engage, lead, be liked, be listened to, be respected. And it shows us how charisma allows us to be able to communicate difficult information and still keep those relationships. And imagine how much easier would that make your life at work and at home. I love teaching these concepts, and I have had the fortune of learning from Michael and being able to teach these principles for the last few years. We all know that communication is the foundation of relationships, and we are all relating to people every single second of the day. We're influencing those we speak to, and by influencing I mean you want to make them to listen to what you have to say. And you want to be able to articulate and communicate your message in a straightforward and in a way where we understand that your way of communication doesn't fit all. And that is always a big awareness with everybody I share this concept with. We sometimes think that the way we speak is meant to be understood by everybody, but that is not the case. We all have different styles of communication, and this is with Michael Grinder's concept of credibility and approachability, or dogs and cats come into consideration. And we all tend to have a style, and it's all about knowing how to hone into style, how to identify who you're talking to, and how to, by making little tweaks to your intonation, to the volume and the pace of your voice, and how you move and use your body language, you can make communication easier to the other person. Imagine if you were able to do it in a way that misunderstandings are gone, in a way that people really get what you were trying to say, and in a way that you get people to listen to what you have to say and follow through with what you are asking them to do. The emotional impact of our impressions and when we communicate with others is over 90% made with our image and your body language. Your words are powerful, of course, but if they are not in alignment, your message is not in alignment with how you are saying it and how you are communicating it with your nonverbals, your message can get lost. So this is why I love teaching these concepts and seeing how people in real estate, lawyers, accountants, people in the corporate world who lead meetings or attend meetings start using these simple tricks to understand who is credible, who is approachable, and at what points in the communications you need to be using your body language in a little bit of a different way, and how that impacts the communication is just always very fascinating. And if you want to learn more about these concepts, I would love you to join me for my next Presence Formula workshop in Perth. You can read more about it on the link below. I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.